My lucky Kermit hat. Alright.
That is so funny.
Okay, this is a squelch, right? The big one?
Yep.
Alright, test. Ground 135 Papa Juliet at Aviator with Foxtrot ready for taxi, VFR closed traffic.
That was really good.
Thank you.
November 135 Papa Juliet, Grand Prairie Ground, runway 18, taxi via Alpha, squawk 0427.
Squawk 0427, 18 via Alpha, 35 Papa Juliet.
With the brakes test too, you're looking out here, make sure it's braking, and then you press the brakes and come over here and look outside.
Yeah.
Because we would see red brake fluid squirting out when I press my brakes. We have hydraulic brakes, so a pin pushes brake fluid through a line and squeezes on those brake pads.
Do not want to see the brakes bleed.
Oh yeah, it'd be getting all over us too. It'd be like, very good radio call though. Alright, this is a little fast though. For today, ooh, let's get cross with fresh cheese. Whew. Good job. So far I'm really impressed. Your knowledge is excellent and you're doing a good job of talking. You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Hey.
And Instagram and TikTok, all that crap.
What is up YouTube? We're back at it again with another video.
What is up YouTube? What's up guys?
Yo, what's up guys? I'm KBHD here.
Alright, keep me straight down that center line so as you go full power we're going to need a which rudder?
Right.
There you go.
Left turning tendencies.
Exactly. Alright. And slowly transition to your VY.
74.
Yep. That was excellent. Good job. Anytime we turn, we also have to lower our nose because we're exchanging that vertical lift for horizontal.
Yeah. I'm trying to get the 1,400, right?
That's okay. Not at the cost of our airspeed.
Got it.
Excellent job.
Power back a little bit.
Yep, you see your airspeed 74 still, and we're still doing our excellent climb.
Tower 135 Papa Juliet, midfield left downwind 18.
You got this. Very good, very good. Alright, hold it off. And we're just gonna work it. Not let it touch yet, not let it touch. See how gentle that was?
Yep.
And try to exit Charlie.
Hold short of Alpha and contact ground.
So we hold short of the runway, do our after landing checklist, which is flaps up, trim back to takeoff, lean mixture already, verify. We're going to turn our landing lights off, taxi lights on, strobe lights off. After landing checklist complete, make your radio call.
Ground 135 Papa Juliet, holding short of Alpha at Charlie, ready for 18, taxi.
Good job.
November 135 Papa Juliet, Grand Prairie Ground, runway 18, taxi via Alpha.
Good job. You're doing very, very good on the radio calls. And honestly, that wasn't bad. Do you see how gently we touched down?
Yeah.
That's the art of holding it off.
A work of art! Brilliant!
Horizontal part's tripping me up.
I'm going to show you the next landing, okay?
Alright.
I'll let you do the takeoff.
Yeah.
On your check ride, they want you taxiing about this speed. Look outside.
Yeah, it's like a fast walk.
A brisk walk, yes. You're the fastest taxi I've ever seen. Before takeoff checklist, we're going to do a before landing checklist and an after landing checklist, okay? Alright, flaps up, mixture rich, trim set for takeoff, taxi lights off, landing lights on, and then you're going to tell me before takeoff checklist complete. Or we're on downwind. We go, okay, let's get our before landing checklist. We're going to go flaps are where they needed, mixtures full rich for the descent, trims at a good pace for it, lights are on, before landing checklist complete. And we're going to get in that habit of doing that every time, okay? It's a lot, right?
Yeah, it's a lot.
135 Papa Juliet, runway 18, clear for takeoff, left close traffic, report midfield.
Roll us out, smooth application of power, keep me right down that center line this time, okay? It wants to pull to the left, so we got to keep it right down this line. That was beautiful, man. Alright. We're going to roll out here.
Eyes down the runway.
Ooh, it's a little bumpy down low. I'm holding it off, holding it off, holding it off. Put it on the back two wheels. After landing would be flaps up, mixture lean if we're doing that. Trim back to take off for the next person. Taxi lights on, landing lights, strobe lights nav off.
Keep the beacon.
Yep, we'll switch over to
ground 135 Papa Juliet, holding short of Alpha at Delta, ready for taxi to 18.
November 135 Papa Juliet, Grand Prairie Ground, runway 18, taxi via Alpha.
18 via Alpha 135 Papa Juliet.
slow down the taxiing. That's the only thing I'm going to say. And
lower taxis.
But slow down, man.
Heels to the floor.
very good.
Taking off at 55.
Excellent. Damn, someone taught you how to take off.
Get 74. Okay. Pitch for VY. Get to 1,000 feet, turn left crosswind.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you. Okay, beam the numbers. I pull the power back.
There we go.
Downwind runway 18.
Let's make sure within flap range before we add those flaps. We're at 100.
Airspeed is king.
Yep.
Okay, second notch.
Add some more power.
A little bit more.
Yep. Good, you got this.
Here we go.
Beautiful.
Smooth landing. Power out.
Hold it off, hold it off, hold it off. Back 2 wheels. Oh, let it come down, let it come down.
There we go.
You see that?
Nice.
That was beautiful. Go around.
I'm so proud of you.
55, pull up.
Very good job.
Cleared for takeoff.
Keep getting thrown to the left.
Fine, clear takeoff.
That landing felt good though.
That was excellent. I would give that a A. Just a A, honestly.
Good.
We'll make it an A plus next time by
Yeah, your hand was kind of on it.
yeah, I was gonna say if I did.
Yeah.
I want you to get that feel for like working off. Don't let it touch. Don't let it touch. And then when it's about to touch, a slight back pressure and it land. You see how it landed on the back 2 wheels? Then we did this.
Yeah.
Coming in, airspeed's a little high, so we're gonna float for a while.
Lima frequency.
All right.
Approved. Have a good
All right.
There's my rollout. Now I pull my power and I transition to holding it off until going in my flare. Hold it off, don't let it touch, don't let it touch. Put it on the back too. Oh yeah, we were really fast there.
That was awful.
Power out. Hold it. Hold it.
Don't let it touch it. Lift up, lift up. Oh, that's all you. You feel that?
Nice.
Keep flying the plane, keep flying the plane.
Flying to the right.
Straight down the runway, flaps up, go around. Okay, I didn't even touch that one, and that was a greaser by you.
You should see all the comments I'm getting. People are actually really stoked on me now.
Oh my gosh. Good grief.
If I'm gonna sign you off or recommend you for your other instructor to sign you off for solo,
Yeah.
I have to see a go around. So randomly, we're gonna do a couple more, and randomly I'm just gonna say go around.
Okay.
And you're gonna handle it accordingly,
And
okay?
I make the call, or do I?
Yep, full power, immediately get rid of 1 notch of flaps, climb out at 65. Establish a positive rate, and you can start working off the flaps. Have you done it before?
Yeah, we did one.
All right, we're coming in. Oh no, there's a flock of birds up here. I need to go around. Full power. Immediately get rid of 1 notch of flaps.
Okay, to 20.
Climb out at 65. Preliminary power. 5 Papa Juliet's going around.
5 Papa Juliet, roger. Report left midfield.
Report left midfield. 5 Papa Juliet. Get rid of 1 notch of flaps because we have a positive rate of climb here. Or the other notch of flaps. Transition to 75. We're climbing out. We'll clear that 50-foot obstacle. We'll get rid of the last one.
So you can be in this flap range when you go to full 0. I mean.
Yeah, we're getting rid of flaps.
Yeah.
If anything, we're making it easier on the plane.
Okay.
We're only worried about the white arc when we're adding flaps.
Got it.
That has
was
nothing to do with
confusing.
getting rid of them.
That
Yeah.
was confusing me. Because I was trying to do it reverse in my head. Power out.
Grand Prairie Tower, Cessna 39 Echo Sierra, we're over the north
Double.
end.
He's all over the place.
Oh my god.
Down, right down.
I'll do better.
I think I flared too early and I just got really squirrely.
Yeah, it's really bumpy out here.
Was I too fast?
Yeah, you're too
Okay.
fast consistently.
I was zooming.
Yeah, you're zooming.
on
Keep in
downwind.
mind, we're
The
going this
wind.
way, we have wind.
Yeah, the wind.
Pull the power out to about 2,000 RPM on downwind. Let's start getting slowed down. The landing starts on downwind. I want you watching the airspeeds like a hawk. That seems to be where we're struggling a little bit.
Yeah.
And that's what's making it difficult for you. It's
Okay.
hard to land when you're fast or slow.
Tower 5 Papa Juliet, midfield left downwind 18, touch and go.
This 5 Papa Juliet, Romeo 18, clear touch and go.
Split for touch and go 18, 35 Papa Juliet.
All right, my plane.
Your controls.
I'll be at 75 by the time I roll out this turn. My airspeed still 70?
70.
Okay. Alright, so I got my nose pointing at those numbers like I got a rocket on it. There's my round out. Pull my power out. I'm working it off. Don't let it touch. Don't let it touch. See how butter that is?
Yep.
Grand Prairie Tower 424 Tango Romeo, holding short 18, vehicle departure to the south.
Scat 4 Tango Romeo, roger, hold short, Romeo 18.
Holding short 18, Tango Romeo.
Pops up. Okay.
You're good. Come to the right.
Thought I had that one.
The airspeed stuff, it just takes time. It's a very difficult
Was I too fast?
skill. No, your airspeed actually, you did way better on holding your airspeed that
Okay.
whole time. Massive,
Second
massive,
5
massive
Juliet,
improvement.
continue south, you're looking for
I didn't pull the
Cessna
nose up
entering
fast
downwind,
enough?
currently 3 miles south.
There's
of the
just
field.
no, with you, so like we came in really low there. You almost landed in the
Yeah.
displaced threshold,
I know.
like on the stripes.
Yeah.
We should be like landing
System 5
past
Papa
the
Juliet.
numbers every time at the minimum.
Add some power.
You're acting like, oh, there's nothing we can do, we're just going to be low.
System
No, let's throw some
135
power.
Papa Juliet, Grand Prairie Tower.
Oh, Papa Juliet, sorry about that. Yes.
You're looking for a Cessna entering downwind currently 2.5 miles southeast of the field at 1,500 feet.
It's going to be a full stop in our last one for 5 Papa Juliet.
5 Papa Juliet, cleared lane.
We're going to land number 2 behind that Cessna 5 Papa Juliet. Alright, still coming in on my airspeed, 65 here.
Good.
We got back on slope.
We're at 70 knots. 16 RPM. Power back.
Alright, I'm going to fly in ground effect first.
Okay.
Then I'll power back. Then I'll hold it off.
Very nice.
And that's what I think you're not doing is you're pulling the power before we're in ground effect. So it's just plummeting because you're coming down and then pulling it. I wish we had time for one more because I think I actually just had a breakthrough with what I think you're doing wrong.
November 135 Papa Juliet, Grand Prairie ground, touch depart.
What I want you to do is start coming in, round out with power still in.
Okay.
Fly in ground effect for 1-2 seconds. Okay, cool. We're stabilized in ground effect. We generated that lift. Okay, here's a common theme that we keep seeing. I think it's kind of clicked for you though, but we pitch for airspeed. We power for altitude. If we look low, I'll add some power. If we look high, I'll pull some power. If we're fast, I'm not pulling power because then we're just fast and low.
Yeah.
And we're going to be lower because power is altitude. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You're so close. I think one more, and then I'd probably feel comfortable with you, honestly. I think you got a lot accomplished today, and you're so good at everything except
Landing.
the last final flare part that we were talking about.
I've heard some people say it's a transition.
Yeah.
Don't think of it as a flare.
Yeah.
I'm thinking of pulling back too much. And
Exactly. What I want you to transition to is we're coming in. We have our power in, still about, 1,500?
Yeah.
We land, we round out, we're flying ground effect for 1, 2, pull the power out, then transition to the next step, which is the flare of working it off. All right, music, mixture, mags, master. Get all the radios, avionics, everything, electrical equipment. Commercial level maneuvers. Your calls are not the problem. Your pattern's not really the problem.
The radio's down.
The pattern and the takeoff, yeah. You got 3/4 of everything. Now we're just finishing that last one.